We're expecting the new iOS 27 to be released to the public very soon. We're actually expecting this to be on the first half of September. Most likely September the 14th will be the date when we get iOS 27 released to the public, even though it can even happen a week earlier. So in this video, I will show you guys how to update to iOS 27, but I will show you how to do that from a beta of iOS 27. Of course, many of our viewers have updated to the iOS 27 betas. First of all, if you're on the betas of iOS 27, always make sure that you have the latest beta installed on your device. And then if you want to update to iOS 27 once it's out from the beta, it's actually very simple. But we have two different scenarios. This is of course based on your own preference, and I will show you guys which one I prefer and I think you should also do as well. Now we're currently on the 6th beta of iOS 27. Most likely we will have another 2 betas before the RC and then the final release, even though there is a chance that we might also have just one more beta. Because the current beta, which is beta 6, ends with a B on the build number, indicating that there will be another beta with A and then the RC. Even though it's not necessarily like that, it might have 2 betas, it might have 1, but it doesn't matter. So the first thing I suggest, if you're on iOS 27 and you want to update to the public release of iOS 27, of course you have to do that through the beta stages. Currently on beta 6, you go ahead and update to beta 7 and then the beta 8 if it's released. If not, you wait for the RC, which will be released the same day as the iPhone event. Most likely that will be September the 9th, where Apple will hold the new iPhone event. Even though nothing is officially confirmed, we pretty much know that it will be September the 9th. That date you get the RC, you install it, and you're good to go. Now you're out of the betas and you have the version that will be also released to the public. But interestingly enough, a lot of users don't want to actually install the RC. They just want to install the public release. In that case, you will have to turn off the beta updates for iOS 27 before the RC is out and you install it on your device. So let's say you installed beta 7. Once you have done that, you come here to the beta updates and you turn off the betas of iOS 27. Once this is done, you come back here, and once the public release is out, you will be able to install it on your device. Otherwise, if you have the RC build installed, you won't actually get an update here for the public release because you already have the same update on your device. So it's actually, as you can see, very simple to update to iOS 27 from any of the betas. I prefer that you install all the betas and then the RC. That's the proper way to go. You don't have to wait for the public release because it's the exact same update. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys on the next one.